1961. The Russians had put the first man in space.
Great success in space when the Russians pushed a man across the threshold.
The Americans are caught napping.
We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
A challenged NASA was in desperate need for data over South Asia, with Pakistan's President Ayub Khan and his scientific advisor Professor Dr. Abdul Salam present in the US.
Glittering gala is a fitting climax to his Washington visit.
NASA cashes in to explore Pakistan's interest in space.
Professor Salam, who was very fond of Punjabi, he looked at me and he said, "Ki bhai Tariq, ki khayal hai? Ki Tariq, what do you think?" So I said that this would be our dream come true.
Thus began the journey that created history.
In the beginning, we resisted. Okay, we are in nuclear engineering. We don't want to change.
Wallops Island was a new experience for both sides.
Oh, where are you from? Pakistan? Okay. Chup kar jate. Phir agle din aate, oh, I saw it in the atlas where Pakistan is.
Meanwhile, back in Pakistan, it was a different story.
فوراً ہی نیکسٹ ڈے مجھے سونیانی بیچ جانا پڑا تھا ٹو اسٹیبلش اے ویدر اسٹیشن دیر اینڈ دیر واز نتھنگ ایلس. کوئی چیز دور دور تک نہیں تھی, صرف سمندر کی لہروں کی آوازیں آیا کرتی تھیں اور وہ بیٹھ کے ہم گنا کرتے تھے.
But it's not long before Sonyani Beach is buzzing with activity.
I must say کہ دن رات کام کرتے تھے. رات کو کبھی جا رہے ہیں کہ یار یہ کام رہ گیا جائیں.
It was hard going, but the team was single-minded.
سونیانی میں ان دنوں جون کی بات ہے تو آپ اندازہ کر سکتے ہیں کہ کتنی گرمی تھی.
Though a desolate and dangerous area, the team remains undeterred.
اگر آپ وہاں پہ غلطی کریں گے تو I would have been blown to pieces.
The objective is clear, but success was at the mercy of nature.
یہ دراصل یہ جو تجربہ تھا سوڈیم ویپر ایکسپیریمنٹ, اس کے لیے ایک بڑی شارپ ونڈو ہے.
تو بعض کا تو ہم ساری رات تک ہم کھڑے رہتے تھے وہاں پہ, انتظار, ہر چیز تیار ہے, صرف بٹن دبانے کی دیر ہے لیکن ویدر کلیئر نہیں ہو رہا ہے.
Finally, the team's resilience and hard work pays off.
اور جناب بڑا رات دن کام کرنے کے بعد 7 جون 1962 کو پہلا پاکستان کا سائنٹیفک راکٹ لانچ کیا.
The world is in awe and disbelief.
And Bridget said, Erzal, why do you say that? I mean, Tariq is here, he's telling us about it. Erzal's answer was, Turkey has not done it. How can Pakistan have done it? Only a 5-member team. And none of the other countries have done that pioneering work with 5 members.
The story of the Fantastic Five comes alive in Rehbar 1, Pakistan's journey into space.